confirm you are a child of the deceased.
Yes.
And therefore you could not be an integral part in your father's marriage.
I definitely wouldn't be, and I have not claimed.
Thank you. Let me come to the second name of Margaret Chweya. Allegedly, she claims she was married in 1973. That's her claim. She claims she was married in 1973. That's her claim. How old were you that time?
1973, I was 15 years old.
Could you by in any way have knowledge that your father is married?
Yes.
Were you in school?
I was in school, yes.
At 15, you are in Form
4.
But you didn't attend.
Attend what?
She claims she was married. And I'm putting it to you that you were in school and you could not deny or accept that she was married. Because you are a student in school.
My Lord, even if I wasn't in school, I have already stated I have no knowledge.
You have no knowledge.
Yes.
Let me move to the last link before I leave. Who was your grandfather in terms of official position?
Which grandfather? I have two.
From your father's side.
My grandfather from my father's side, his official position, for many years, he was a senior chief of Nyariba location.
He was a senior chief
Yes.
in the provincial administration. Who was your father, the deceased? We are talking in this part.
Sorry, what is the question? Who was
What was the official position of your father?
When?
In 1973.
1973, my father was the provincial commissioner, Central Province. As
He was a provincial commissioner of the larger Central Province. That was under the old constitutional dispensation.
True enough.
And you agree he had several aides who were assigned to him to help him do his official duties.
I would assume so.
And he was a symbol of the state because there were only 7 provincial commissioners. Is that true?
My Lord, that is an opinion. So
No, there were 7.
There were 7. Yes. Yes.
It is known. There were known. There were 7 provincial commissioners. Margaret Chweya, did you have knowledge of the people who were working in his office at any time?
When?
Wherever he worked.
1 or 2, yes. I would know.
1 or 2.
Yeah, I would know who his secretary was because sometimes I went to the office. I would know who his security person, driver. Those are the people I would know.
Those ones.
Yeah.
But the other staffs, you could not know them.
No.
You told the court when late Mzee passed on, you started, your mother, generally according to you, is a very sober, settled lady. True?
That's my opinion.
You saw a different mother at Kisii Stadium during the funeral service of your father.
My Lord, I didn't see a different mother. I just saw the same mother, like many human beings would be, getting upset and distressed by the proceedings. So she left the stadium.
She was upset. During the burial, a certain woman came to talk to your seated mother, and you intervened. And that woman is none other this one, Margaret Chweya. True?
Yes, turned out.
And the agitation your mother was showing is because her co-wife has appeared.
Your Lordship, there is no testimony.
I'm asking him to answer. I'm trying to lay the basis of the change of body language of her mother, of his mother. That it was occasioned by a rival woman appearing.